Bella here, and we are heading to Jen's house so that we can get ready for fun and games, and I will obviously vlog there. Yeah.
If you're allowed.
So we're gonna vlog there if we're allowed to. I don't think we are, but I'm gonna try. If we are allowed to vlog there, that's fine. If we're not allowed to, I'll just won't, and I'll just tell the story. Tell stories is fun. Not. I hate telling stories. It's the hardest thing to remember if you're telling a story. Like, if you're telling a story, you have to remember, and then just like by videoing it, you don't have to remember anything. Sorry, the camera's a bit crap. I'm running.
Really,
yes.
They will back it.
So we are on our way. It's about 4:30 by now, probably. We've had the weirdest day ever. Yeah, very weird, Jenny.
It was a very weird day, wasn't it?
It's gonna rain. Oh no. Get under, Lucy.
We'll make it.
Lucy, just get under.
We'll make it. Run.
Well, I won't make it. No, it's fine. I've got it. There's water in my shoes. We made it. Bye.